Welcome to my class, student. It's class 8 English. It so happened and we are doing chapter 2 Children at Work. And this is the question answer session. It's a session 6. You know in the chapter what happened? There were two children, Velu and Jaya. What happened? Velu left home because his father was snatching money from him. And so he left home and he boarded on the Chennai railway station, central station. There he met a girl, Jaya, who was a rag picker. So he came to know about the hard life that the child was having, that rag picker Jaya. She promised Velu that she would arrange some food. Velu thought he would have some fresh food, but what he found? He found some leftovers. So he followed Jaya so that once he would earn some money in the central city, in central Chennai, then only he would leave the job of rag picking and he would find some new job. So in this story, you have come to know about how it is very important to save our food. We should not waste our food and how we should help the people or the children who are street dwellers, who are rag pickers. We should provide them some food, clothing, so that they can have a decent life. Here in the question answer, we will see some more questions and the answers of that chapter. Now this is comprehension. Check part 2. What material are the strange hearts made out of? Whose hearts are this? These hearts are of Jaya. One of the heart is of Jaya. So, what materials were used? The strange hearts were made out of metal sheets, tires, bricks, wood and plastic. Remember the story? The Jaya used to live in this type of hut, and it was not hut. Actually, Velu knows only the hut, the word hut. So, it is not hut actually. These are the just kind of temporary shelter, you can say. These are made out of metal sheets, tires, bricks, wood and plastic. Why does Velu find them strange? Because Velu had come from village. He hadn't seen this type of huts and it was really strange for him. Velu found the hut strange because in his village the houses were made of mud and palm leaves. The huts he saw were made up of all sort of things and looked like they could fall any moment. But in the village, the huts were little bit permanent and here it's all look like temporary. If there will be heavy rain, if there will be strong wind, the huts of that city can collapse. So it was very strange for Velu to see this type of huts. What sort of things did Jaya and children like her collect and what did they do with those things? Jaya and children like her collected paper, plastic, glass and other such things. Why? Because they were rag pickers. They sold these items to Jam Bazaar Jaggu, who further sold it to a factory. So this is the hard life the children like Jaya were leading. So they were rag pickers. So they used to walk on the street and wherever they found the collected paper, plastic, glass and other such things, the unused, the thrown articles, they used to collect it and sold it to Jaggu, who again sold all those collected things to a factory. In exchange of things, in exchange of this plastic or used thing, the children used to get some money. Is Velu happy or unhappy in the work to find work? Give a reason for your answer. What is the type of work that he has found? He found rag picking. So, was he really happy? He was not happy. But he was very helpless also. He didn't know anyone in that city and only Jaya was her friend. Jaya was his friend. So what he thought, let's learn these things, let's do this work for few days or for some time, so that when he will get some better job, some better source of earning, then he would leave that job of work, rat picking. Now, Velu was unhappy to find work because he had not run away from home to dig through garbage bins. He had some high dreams. He was not there to dig through garbage bins and find plastics, glass and all those thrown articles. It was this type of work he had never seen in village. He was used, what was the type of work he used to do? You know, he used to graze animals, the cattle. So this type of thing was really not very suitable to Velu. He had not seen this type of thing. So he had come, he had left his home not to dig through garbage bin. The only work he had ever done was weeding and taking cows out of graze. This you know. However, since he did not know Chennai too well, he decided to work as a rag picker till the time he found a better job. Once he would find a better job, he would leave this job of rag picking. So, is Velu happy or unhappy to find work? Yeah, Velu was unhappy to find work because he was not in habit of doing this type of thing. So, what have you learnt in this story? In this session, we learn the answers of the questions that are related to Velu and Jaya. And in this, if you go through the questions answer, if you go through the chapter, you go through my slides, you will get many more things that I can put as a question in your exam. So, go through the chapter, go through the answers, learn the technique of writing answers, and whatever is written in the chapter, please follow that, because here you cannot add anything, you cannot subtract anything. The questions are related to the answers are related to the questions. Our questions are direct questions that have come from the chapter. So go through this. Have a nice revision. In the next class with new chapter, we will meet again. Thank you.